hidden for decades, forgotten by time.
Every surface tells a story of neglect.
Even the smallest details deserve revival. Time has taken its toll, but not its soul. Once luxury, now left to decay.
The restoration begins, one step at a time.
Revealing what still remains beneath.
Layers of neglect slowly washing away.
Careful precision brings life back.
Even the dirtiest parts can shine again.
Every hidden corner is brought back to life.
Clarity returns, one wipe at a time. Every detail begins to shine again. The journey has only just begun. The original shine starts to emerge. The journey has only just begun.
Uncovering the heart beneath the dust.
Years of build-up slowly dissolving away.
Careful hands bring order to chaos.
Removing what no longer serves.
Clearing the past. Preparing for renewal.
Layer by layer, the truth is revealed.
Precision restores what time has worn. Every hidden piece has a purpose.
Removing the scars left behind. Years of buildup washed away. Breaking through years of resistance.
Rebuilding what was broken. Stability returns with every repair.
Restoring strength beneath the surface.
Preparing for a flawless finish.
Smoothness is earned through patience. Perfection begins in the details.
A new foundation is born.
Refinement is in repetition.
The original beauty returns. Every layer builds perfection.
Depth is created layer by layer.
The shine is sealed forever.
From forgotten shell to reborn legend.
Perfection is now visible in every curve.
Every component finds its place again.
Precision brings structure back to life.
The cockpit begins to feel alive again.
Luxury returns to its rightful place.
Control is restored to the driver. The heart returns to its body.
Every connection restores life.
Strength is built with precision.
A masterpiece rebuilt from silence.
The final form is almost complete.
Every rotation begins again.
Balance returns to every axis.
Even hidden parts must shine.
From fragments to unity.
Clarity returns to vision.
Awakening begins with light.
Every surface perfected by hand.
From abandoned silence to living legend, once again.
Perfection is not created, it is rebuilt.
Light returns to a forgotten legend. Every curve tells a story of precision.
Inside, the soul is reborn.
The heart now beats without hesitation. Identity restored in pure form. From stillness, it moves again.
Power remains, refined and controlled.
A legend restored beyond time.
Perfection is not created, it is rebuilt.
Light returns to a forgotten legend. Every curve tells a story of precision.
Inside, the soul is reborn.
The heart now beats without hesitation. Identity restored in pure form. From stillness, it moves again.
Even reflections
remember perfection. A legend restored beyond time.
Inside, the machine awakens with elegance.
Power rests quietly beneath perfection.
From forgotten ruin to eternal legend.